Hi, we're here today to talk about the Avigilon H5 Pro cameras. We just want to bring a few benefits to the cameras and let you know where you can use them really, and give you an idea of what they can be useful for you. So Steve, tell us about the H5 Pro.
Yeah, so as the name suggests, it's the Pro range from Avigilon. It's able to go up to 61 megapixel image, which is really good. Gives you a real clear view of a really large area. So these are perfect for sports stadiums, train stations, even shopping centres in some locations, or in very large car parks. The ability to have that sort of detail over such a large area means that you don't need multiple cameras covering that area. One camera does the job, and although the image may appear very far away, because you've got that detail, you can still zoom in to crystal clear images. I mean, these can cover stadiums using not many cameras at all.
Brilliant. Well, we've actually, we can ship these cameras now, so you can actually buy them from us on our website. If you go to the products section on our website, you'll be able to find these cameras. There is the availability to speak to one of our guys on online chat. So if you go onto our website on the online chat and just book in, we can talk to you a little bit more about these cameras, because they are a little bit more in depth. Other than that, have a look on our YouTube channel for more videos like this.